Foot jiggers might seem like a minor nuisance. However, they pose a significant health threat. These tiny parasites can cause severe pain. They can also lead to debilitating infections. If left untreated, complications can arise. These can impact your ability to walk. Proper removal is absolutely essential for health. Understanding this danger is the first crucial step. We must take jiggers seriously. These pests are more than just an itch. They burrow deep into your skin. Often they choose the feet or hands. The female jigger lays her eggs there. This creates a painful, swollen lesion. Imagine a tiny creature living under your skin. It is a disturbing and dangerous thought. Prompt action is needed to avoid problems. Ignoring them will only make things worse. Each tiny burrow is an open door for bacteria. This can lead to serious secondary infections. Conditions like tetanus are a real risk. Knowledge and quick action are your best defense. Know your enemy. A foot jigger is not just any bug, it is a tiny sand flea, scientifically named. This creature is native to tropical and subtropical regions. It thrives in warm, dry, sandy environments. You might find them in soil or on dusty floors. They are very small, about 1 millimeter long. This makes them hard to see before they attack. The female jigger is the one that causes problems. She needs a warm-blooded host to reproduce. Humans unfortunately make excellent hosts for them. The female jigger seeks exposed skin. She typically targets feet, especially around toenails. Soles and spaces between toes are common spots. Once she finds a suitable location, she digs. She burrows headfirst into the epidermis. Her rear end remains slightly exposed. This allows her to breathe and expel eggs. The affected spot will look like a small black dot. This dot is often surrounded by a white halo. It will become itchy and then painful. Understanding this life cycle is important. Removing a jigger seems simple, but it is not. Attempting to remove it incorrectly can be dangerous. You might not get the entire flea out. Leaving parts of the jigger behind is risky. This can lead to persistent inflammation. It can also cause a chronic infection. The wound might not heal properly. Pain and discomfort will likely continue. The goal is to remove the entire jigger sac. This includes the flea and all her eggs. Improper removal significantly increases infection risk. Using non-sterile tools is a major concern. This can introduce harmful bacteria into the wound. Squeezing the jigger can also be problematic. This action might rupture the flea inside the skin. If the egg sac breaks, it releases eggs. This can worsen the infestation locally. It can also spread bacteria from the jigger's gut. Serious infections like tetanus or cellulitis can occur. These require urgent medical treatment. Hygiene is the cornerstone of safe removal. Clean hands, clean tools, and a clean wound. Section 4. Gathering your arsenal. Essential tools for jigger extraction. To remove a jigger safely, you need the right tools. Having these items ready is very important. It ensures the process is smooth and hygienic. Do not try to use makeshift or dirty instruments. This could lead to serious infections. Let's list what you will need for this task. Prepare these tools before you begin any removal. This preparation is a key step for safety. Think of it as your jigger removal kit. Keep these items clean and accessible. First, you will need a sterile needle or sharp tweezers. A surgical scalpel blade is ideal if available. These tools must be very clean. You can sterilize them with boiling water, or you can use rubbing alcohol or an open flame. If using a flame, let the tool cool down. You will also need good lighting. A bright lamp or direct sunlight helps. This allows you to see the jigger clearly. Good visibility is crucial for precise removal. Next, gather some antiseptic solution. This is for cleaning the wound after removal. Section 5. Step-by-step guide, removing jiggers safely at home. Now, let's walk through the removal process. Follow these steps carefully for safe extraction. Patience and a steady hand are very important. Do not rush this delicate procedure. If you feel unsure, please seek medical help. Your safety is the top priority here. Remember, cleanliness is absolutely key throughout. This process aims to remove the entire jigger. It also aims to prevent any infection. Let's begin with the first preparation step. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. If you have gloves, put them on now. Then clean the affected foot very well. Use warm, soapy water for this. Pay special attention to the area around the jigger. Gently scrub away any dirt or debris. Rinse the foot well and pat it dry. Next, sterilize your chosen removal tool. This could be a needle, tweezers, or scalpel. Boil it, wipe with alcohol, or pass through a flame. Now with good lighting, examine the jigger. You should see a small dark spot, the jigger's rear. Sometimes there is a surrounding raised white area. Section 6. Red flags, when to seek professional medical help. While home removal is often possible, sometimes it is not. There are situations where you need a doctor. It is crucial to recognize these signs. Attempting removal in complex cases can be harmful. Professional help ensures safe and effective treatment. Never hesitate to consult a healthcare provider. Your health is far too important to risk. Pay close attention to these warning signals. They indicate that DIY removal is not advised. Let's discuss these important red flags. If the jigger is very deeply embedded, see a doctor. Or if it is in a very sensitive area, trying to dig out a deep jigger can cause damage. You might injure nerves or blood vessels. If you have many jiggers, this is also a concern. Removing multiple jiggers can be overwhelming. It also increases the risk of widespread infection. A healthcare professional can manage this better. They have the right tools and expertise. Section 7. Fortifying your defenses, preventing future jigger infestations. Removing jiggers is one part of the battle. Preventing them from returning is equally important. You want to avoid future infestations. This requires some simple but consistent measures. Protecting yourself and your family is the goal. Let's explore effective prevention strategies. These tips can significantly reduce your risk. A jigger-free life is much healthier. It starts with understanding their environment and taking steps to avoid contact. The most effective prevention is wearing shoes. Always wear closed-toe shoes in infested areas. This is especially important when walking on dry soil, or when you are in sandy environments. Jiggers cannot burrow through a good shoe. Ensure your children also wear shoes consistently. This simple habit offers great protection. It creates a physical barrier against these pests. Make it a non-negotiable rule for outdoor activities. Proper footwear is your first line of defense. Keeping your home and surroundings clean helps.